Salamta, greetings one and all, and welcome back to another episode with Miss Mimi. Let's learn Amharic food words with English meanings, pronunciation, and sentence. Rice, ruse, rice, ruse, rice, ruse. I'm preparing rice. I'm preparing rice. I'm preparing rice. Ruse እያዘጋጀው ነው. Ruse እያዘጋጀሁ ነው. Ruse እያዘጋጀው ነው. Meat ስጋ. Meat ስጋ. Meat ስጋ. What kind of meat is that? What kind of meat is that? What kind of meat is that? ምን አይነት ስጋ ነው? ምን አይነት ስጋ ነው? ምን አይነት ስጋ ነው? Chicken Doro, chicken, Doro, chicken, Doro. The chicken was eaten. The chicken was eaten. The chicken was eaten. Doro tabella, Doro tabella, Doro tabella. Egg. እንቁላል egg እንቁላል egg እንቁላል. I like fried eggs. I like fried eggs. I like fried eggs. የተጠበሰ እንቁላል እወዳለሁ. የተጠበሰ እንቁላል እወዳለሁ. የተጠበሰ እንቁላል እወዳለሁ. Milk ወተት. Milk ወተት. Milk ወተት. What kind of milk is that? What kind of milk is that? What kind of milk is that? ምን አይነት ወተት ነው? ምን አይነት ወተት ነው? ምን አይነት ወተት ነው? Cheese አይብ. Cheese አይብ. Cheese አይብ. I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese. አይብ አልወድም. አይብ አልወድም. አይብ አልወድም. Butter ቅቤ. Butter ቅቤ. Butter ቅቤ. Butter is melting. Butter is melting. Butter is melting. ቅቤ እየቀለጠ ነው. ቅቤ እየቀለጠ ነው. ቅቤ እየቀለጠ ነው. Alright y'all, hope you enjoyed this episode. For more videos like this one, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next episode.